Before we begin with the video, I just want to point out that this video is not sponsored by SuccessBux whatsoever. This video is simply a review and an opinion. You won't find any affiliate links in the description. It's everybody's dream to make money without much effort. However, most sites that promote such opportunities are either fake or simply don't provide sufficient income for members. But is SuccessBux just another site like that, or is it legitimate? We're going to answer that question in today's video, so make sure to stick around till the end because you might just have discovered a new way to make money from the comfort of your home. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any online business or side hustle opportunities. Let's begin. Most of us will be familiar with GPT or Get Paid To sites. SuccessBux is a bit different. Like GPT sites, you earn rewards by doing simple tasks. Let's go over them. 1. Watching videos. You can earn money on SuccessBux by watching videos. You go on your dashboard and find available videos for you to watch. You'll know beforehand how much watching each video will cost. When you open a video, you will first have to click an image to confirm that you're actively watching. Every video you open will require you to click on images, just to make sure you're actually watching. On some GPT sites, you can leave videos running all day while you do other things. This is not one of those sites. Earning on SuccessBux requires active participation. Most of the videos contain ads, usually for get-rich-quick schemes. We would advise against any of the links in those ads. Just stick to watching the videos and earning from them. 2. Taking offers. The site has a list of offers like free trials for various subscription services. You earn money by taking these offers. Some of them require you to give your credit card info. If you take any of those offers, make sure you cancel your membership before the paid subscription begins. Also, some of the offers are for, oddly enough, online casinos. To earn from SuccessBux, you will first have to make a deposit in the online casino. We would advise everyone to be careful with gambling, since you could actually end up losing more money than you make from the offer. 3. Listening to radio. SuccessBux also has an online radio station. You earn for every 10 minutes of listening, and every 10 minutes a CAPTCHA test will pop up for you to complete. This is also to confirm that you are actually listening. 4. Referrals. You can also earn by referring friends or family to the site, and if you have some experience with sites like this, then you must already know where this is going. As you could have guessed, most of the perks on the site are related to their subscription plans. Your commission starts at 10% with your free membership and increases as you move up to the paid membership levels. Yep, standard membership is free, but you can upgrade your membership by paying the following fees. Standard is free. Premium, $19 for 12 months. Silver, $34 for 12 months. Golden, $29 for 6 months, $49 for 12 months. Elite, $39 for 6 months, $64 for 12 months. Ultimate, $29 for 3 months, $49 for 6 months, $67 for 12 months. Moving up increases your earnings from referrals up to 100% on higher levels and lowers the cash-out fee. Yes, there's a cash-out fee. Your earnings for watching videos and taking offers won't be very high. They're trying to get you to make referrals your main earning method. When you pay for upgraded membership, you become more invested in their system, meaning you'd be more likely to work harder to get other people to join the site. And more members is exactly what SuccessBux wants. This isn't that shady, but it kind of reminds us of a pyramid scheme. What we can see is that they're positioning referrals as the main earning methods on this site. There's nothing bad about this, but be aware of what you're getting into with this site. Earning potential on SuccessBux. The earnings per task isn't so great, which reinforces my theory that they really want you to rely on referrals for earning. Anyways, average earning for the tasks are as follows. Watching videos, 1/10 of a cent on the high end and a measly 1/100th of a cent on the low end. Listening to radio, 5/10 of a cent for every 10 minutes. I know using these sites aren't a means to get rich. At best, they're good for pocket money. But the earnings for the above tasks are so low, I wonder if they're even worth the electricity and bandwidth you're using. To earn decent money on SuccessBux, you will have to play the referrals game, and that means paying to upgrade your membership in order to maximize your earnings. Personally, this isn't my thing, but I'll let you decide on this one. Payout options on SuccessBux. There's a $1 minimum withdrawal, and your earnings are sent either via PayPal or Payza. I like the low minimum payout, but be warned there's a 2% processing fee for the standard membership level and 1% for all other levels. My hot take: having to pay a processing fee sucks. In my opinion, a member shouldn't have to pay for something a site needs to account for in the first place. To add insult to injury, they can't even nix that processing fee altogether, even when you're paying up to $67 a year for a top-tier membership. How to join SuccessBux. If you'd like to give this site a try, simply Google it and sign up for an account. Membership is open to all countries and is free, at least for the first level. Conclusion: SuccessBux is pretty much legit. However, the only way to make an income of anything more than a few pennies, you'll have to start referring people and use it like a pyramid scheme. It's definitely not something we can imagine ourselves doing for the long term, but if you're just in need of a few quick bucks and you like networking, then this one might not be that bad for you. Have you tried a site like this before? If so, what's your experience with it? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you're new here. And until next time, keep up the hustle.